doing as the mayor. I'll be standing up with you if you look not a meeting.
Right, lads. Happy weekend. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Right, there we go. Take a minute here, get settled in, and then right to work. All right, we've got to finish up this poll implementation. Viral Babu gave us some polls to run, so we're going to populate that. We had like 23 votes, and I think like 5 of them were from PH Designs, but still, not bad. So let's get slowly set up over here. All right, yeah, this is where we got with the poll implementation. What we'll do is we'll finish up, test this on local, and then I was having some permission issues with it. Get out, church. Dog keeps trying to ram the room. Allergies out of control, man. It's miserable. Whew. Shite, what did I just say? All right, let's fire up our systems first. I'm gonna remember to activate Twitch tonight because ABDO called me out. He's like, Twitch isn't live. The chat system will make sure that it is. So we'll do that first. All right. I think the thing is we could actually persist the Twitch token because even if the Twitch stream goes down for like 40 hours and comes back up, it's still valid. So we might persist that. Okay, YouTube. Start. Active. Populate this. All right, so that's live. Yeah, as I traditionally say, usually like Fridays, Saturdays are pretty quiet. I like to think that people are going out having a good time, which I'll probably do too. Saturday night, that sounds alright. What else do I need? What else? Oh, that's a good one. Okay. Remember to do this. We're going to do this programmatically once we get done coding, but let's set it up so we have some data to pull in. In the wrong app, it's Discord. So we'll investigate how many tokens it takes to create a YouTube poll programmatically. I'm assuming that like Nightbot, Streamlabs must have a token allocation from Google that goes into like the millions. We have 10,000 to work with, and that's about for a period. So go. Populate a poll tonight. We'll start doing that each stream. Thank you, Viral Babu, for that idea. That was A plus. God, I need to get a new desk in here, man, that I can actually get my chair under. It's so comfortable. That's better. Okay. All right, so we need to add some front end buttons. Maybe I should test this. So, all these buttons, bloody hell. That's into a stack. Start splitting stuff up. Let's just start going. Often I get asked like how I built something like this, and it's just persistence. That's it. Code when I feel bad, code when I feel good, code when I feel tired. Just keep going. All right. Let ESLint reformat this. There we go. Okay, we're gonna add a couple more buttons here for creating and getting a poll. So many controls for YouTube. It's crazy, actually. And we're gonna be adding more. It's gonna be a big focus. All right, let's create an additional stack. Okay, direction. And it's going to be a monumental task to convert from Bootstrap to Tailwind, but we will get there eventually. I have to keep in mind that you guys need to be able to see what I'm actually coding.
Twitch_Marveric001 says hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Not too bad, buddy. Honestly, this is the first time I've had someone chat from Twitch before YouTube. But have you seen this before, these streams, what I've got going on here? Yeah, seriously. So there's your avatar down there. You actually have a bunch of commands. You can move it around, you can control it, all sorts of stuff.
How is streaming going?
It's going pretty good. Getting like 2,000 to 3,000 views a stream now, which is huge. You know, I started off and like, I got fuck all, honestly.
TBH, you are doing great. Keep it up.
Appreciate you, Maverick. What have you got going on? Are you coding or excited about building anything? I'm always curious what other people are doing.
Just gave you a follow.
Hell yeah, Maverick. I appreciate you, buddy. Thank you. I'm going to have to code support for the Twitch stats so we can start including that. Right now it's just pulling YouTube. Sweet, bro. I appreciate that.
Okay, man.
Are you coding? Do you like making games? Like, what's your
I'm really
what's your
glad
passion?
to come across your channel, TBH.
Why is that, buddy? I appreciate you saying that, but I'm curious. All right, let's give this a reload. All right.
BTW, have you hit affiliate?
Let me take a look. I don't think I have enough unique viewers to get that. Well, let me check. Yeah, so let me see if I can pull this out. Oh, you're on Twitch, so you can see more than YouTube. All right, that's good.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you look at this, I don't have a minimum of 3 average viewers in 4 different days. I don't know if that's right, but that's what it says. Yeah, look at that though. 29 followers on Twitch is pretty cool.
Whoam. Hope you have been working towards making it achievable.
Yeah, hope so. I mean, I stream enough. Like I'll go weeks where I'm like on every night almost, and then I'll take like a break for 5 days and
That's
come
great.
back. But yeah, I want to grow on Twitch because it's lower latency, so you get more benefits.
If I may ask, are you open for Suggs Zion?
Frenzy says wow.
Oh hell yeah, Maverick! I love suggestions. Give me a coding challenge and I'll do it. Frenzy, what's going on, buddy? How are you? You doing okay? All right. Oh, my streaming computer's lagging. I hope that's not be a
Yeah.
problem. Lads, let me know if the streams are lagging out, because I might have to restart this.
Have
Something's
you heard of a
going on.
gaming community platform before?
I have not. That is not fine.
Okay.
What you got, Maverick? I kind of code in isolation, you know what I mean? Like, this is the first time I've really broken out of it.
I got a Discord server that streamers on Twitch share tips and ideas with their selves on how they grow their channel.
Oh, that's pretty good. That's not a bad idea, is it? How many folks you got on it?
What programming language are ya using?
In this
Frenzy,
server there's
so
some streamer like big streamer, top rated streamer, small streamer that are collaborate together and play game together to aid each other.
Frenzy, it's mostly JavaScript, TypeScript, but some Python now because I'm doing some more local large language model stuff. So, but I have experience with like a bunch of languages, but everything you see here has been coded in JavaScript mainly. And Maverick, feel free to let us know about your Discord. Alright, why isn't... What's going on here? Okay.
Psychono is one of the gaming community server admin.
Do you have like game developers on there as well?
Won't you mind if I could get you connected with the server admin if you don't mind?
Yeah, go for it, buddy. I'll talk to anyone. I don't know if you want to add me on Discord. I have a Discord. Maybe that's the easiest way to. Because you just let me know. Frenzy, what do you code in? Curious.
Okay.
Do I have the Discord listed on Twitch? Let me see.
Won't you mind if I could get you connected with the server admin if you don't mind?
Yeah, just My username is the same on Discord as it is on Twitch. Ooh, YouTube isn't picking us up tonight.
Kindly drop your Discord username so that I could share it with him.
Twitch_Codelic says Codelic.
Okay. I will add you up personally now, man.
No worries, buddy. This looks like shite. But all this works, so just have to organize it, I suppose.
I send you a friend request on Discord.
Alright, buddy. I'll take a wee look at a wee bit. Just gonna do some coding. I'm honestly not super familiar with Discord, but
Should I drop that admin Discord username so that you can add him up?
yeah, just DM me. It'll be easier, right, to keep track of it. Okay.
I should send you his Discord username on Discord, right?
Yep. Where is everyone?
Okay. Kindly accept my friend request, man.
I already did, buddy. Oh. Maybe that's the wrong one. Shit, where is it?
This would not take much time.
Maverick, better at chatting with people after the stream, but that's my actual Discord.
_mobile.
All right. Let's see what we got down here. It's, YouTube code's getting complicated. There's a lot to it. Let's populate.
I just send you a friend request.
Where the hell are we populating the live chat idea? Not populating it. I'm bloody confused. What the hell?
I just send you the Discord admin username.
So who is he? Why am I adding him? I'll add him. I'm curious, but what? Right, so we're not pulling live chat ID at all. We do need it. Can we pull it from a video? Let's see. We'll get the poll and we're just going to dump it into the console and then we'll come back and figure out more. Oh shit. Doesn't even exist, man. That's not gonna work. Do this. Tidy all this crap up. Temporarily disable this. Populates this instance. So we'll use that to make a request. Yeah, I just want to see if we can pull the poll from
Oriental
YouTube.
Noodle says hi.
Oriental Noodle buddy, how are you doing? Happy weekend. Good to see you back. All right, let's save this. All right. Didn't get the poll. Why not? Why didn't I pull the poll? Get poll, set poll. Should be triggering it. Live chat ID must not be populated. I'm assuming that's what's going on. Oh, shit. That's the video ID. Huh. We're not bloody populating. We're not persisting this mistake. Okay, whole details undefined. That's not good. Alright, I have to be careful here. Let's pull this off screen. Status 400. So why are we getting an error? Whole details. Okay. Because we did object values and not object keys. Goodness snakes. Okay. Out of all the live chat APIs, the one that annoys me the most is YouTube. It's barbaric. Okay. Oh. Because we're returning an object for live chat ID. Why? I don't know. Oh shit. That's why. Okay, why is it doing this? I have to populate kind? This is strange. Oh, they have a low latency mode here. Interesting. Uh-oh. We fuck up our... No? Okay.
Christian Smith says hello.
Christian Smith, buddy, how are you?
Good, and you?
Not too bad, buddy. Code and support for YouTube polls. Alright, snippet. Alright, so we should already be polling poll details. Interesting. Christian, do you like to code?
You're welcome. What are you working on? Looks like JavaScript. Or I forgot the other one. That looks like.
Yeah, so I'm building this avatar chat driven model that's controlled by YouTube live chat. So the TTS system, the avatars, this entire system, even my camera feed, and my desktop share has all been built in this system. So it's a big project, and it would actually, there's a lot to it, but I'm sure you get that kind of idea. And yeah. Always coding. It's kind of my like sandbox where I experiment. Cool, we got the poll. Perfect. All right, folks, now it's time to get to work. Perfect.
Fun. Yeah, I like to program.
What's your language of choice, and what do you like to code? Wait, it's not giving me the value of the poll. We have a problem here. Oh my God.
HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and a bit of C++, Fo and TypeScript. I'm a self-taught full-stacks DEV.
Oh yeah, buddy. Yeah, I'm self-taught as well. When did you start programming? And pretty much everything you described is my stack other than C++, but I've been developing iPhone apps since the iPhone was released, so Objective-C and SwiftUI as well. This is so strange.
I'm forgetting one language, but I can't think. Oh, Virtual Basic Lang.
Oh man. Yeah, I started with VB6 as well. Building private servers for Habbo Hotel. The joys of a single thread, huh? But that's where I learned about sockets. That's cool though. That's fun stuff. Alright, I'm gonna take this off screen just because I have to be careful of the logs here. Bring it back momentarily. This is so strange. Oh. It's confusing. One of the most
I
poorly
started when a friend
documented.
who lived in the UK showed me a bit of HTML when I was 13 to 14. I'm now in my late 20s. I just got done teaching myself JavaScript and Node.js. All offline mode though.
Oh hell yeah. I started around the same age. And I'm in America now, but that's where I'm originally from, is the UK. Yeah, I like the web. We have a lot available to us, and you don't have to get someone to download your app in order to access it. So it's bloody powerful. I'd say it's really underutilized, honestly. Like, I'm using peer-to-peer technology to do the camera and media streaming here. All in the web browser. To do stuff like that wasn't even possible before, but even to get sockets to work, you needed Flash or Java or Shockwave. Oh my god, it's still doing it. Oh, what? That's why. All right, we'll get there. Oh. Options, object values, return as an array.
I could tell you was /RUK. But that cool, you're now in the US. Right now I'm a full-time caregiver. For my mom who has dementia.
Man, I'm sorry to hear that. That's tough, but I got a ton of respect that you're doing that for her. Both my granddads, paternal and maternal, it hit them really hard in the end of life, so oof, that's really hard on the family, man. It really, really is. So, ton of respect, bro. That's fucking, what are you doing at the wrong area? Parts. Okay, snippet of the details. Media YouTube parts. Okay. Yeah, I'm down here in Florida, so I prefer it to the cold. I'm a bit soft with the cold now, I'll be honest. Okay, active pull item, we're getting closer. So we have to dig into active pull item and snippet and pull details, and then we should have what we want. Alright, let's go do this. Response data. Why does it? And you said you taught yourself like offline, so I'm assuming that's like you actually taught yourself JavaScript instead of just doing AI and vibe coding like I see other folks do. I try and, you know, warn them against it. Like, AI can be a great tool for learning, but
I can't wait to have a nice computer and home internet so I can work. I never worked on the industry, but I want to. Right now all I have is some mobile data. Beaming face with smiling eyes.
That's rough. Yeah, when I was sent home back to the UK when I was 15, I had to use my mobile phone to get internet at my grand's house. But there wasn't a such thing as hotspot. It had dial-up internet, and then I could plug it in via USB serial, and I could literally get dial-up from my mobile phone. It was crazy, dude, so I feel the pain. The internet is huge, but Yeah, man, you could do quite well in the industry. The biggest advice I'd recommend is just to have personal projects and stuff that you can demo and be excited about when you explain it, and that will get you work. I have no doubt about that.
I have an old computer, so no hotpot capabilities.
A hotspot, okay. Huh. I don't know if you have an iPhone or Android for your mobile data, but I know that Android at least lets you do wired connection, so you could use your phone's mobile data on your computer. But I'm not sure what you've got, but it might be worth looking at, you know. Alright, we're pulling poll details and metadata, and this data we need is buried like 7 layers deep into this object. It's kind of offensive. Okay, switch back over here. What? The data. Hey, we got it, guys. We got what we need. Christian, if you're there, can you vote on the poll that's in the live chat? We need that data to debug what I'm doing here. We get option text, we get question text, and tally. Okay. Why is it duplicated?
Say what again?
Do you see a poll in the live chat that says, what does API stand for? Okay, so someone did vote for it. So why are we not getting any results from them? Oh, I didn't see it. Skip some of your comments. He said, AI is an okay tool, but not recommended. Good old-fashioned books for me. Bits of code from my friends when I can't figure out what I did wrong. Yeah, man, that's the way to go. Shite, what are we supposed to do with this if we can't actually get any useful data back? We've had 10 votes on the poll, but we're not seeing any results. We're just seeing the option list.
Genre-centric network says you.
PH, buddy, how are you doing? Appreciate it, Christian. I thought no one did it because I was looking at the data from the API. Let's see if I can pull this up so you guys can see what I'm dealing with. You see this? So we're getting the questions back, but the tally is returning 0 for everything. It should be actually giving us something useful. PH buddy, what you got going on?
Application program interface was 50%.
Yes.
Getting to 99 still face with tears of joy.
RuneScape grind. That's brilliant.
Ye buddy.
Man, I'm gonna have to heat up a slice of pizza. My stomach's bothering me now. Doesn't let us read the live vote counts. That's obscene. So why is it giving
And
me
whatever was
tally?
B and D was 50%.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna have to investigate some scraping options here. Not ideal. This is obnoxious. So apparently YouTube doesn't support giving us live responses back. So we just get tally 0. Like, why is that even there then?
So automation
so that-
program integration was 50%.
Oof. Yeah, we did a poll yesterday, thanks to Viral Babu. It was asking, you know, which language is not a programming language, and HTML was listed. And unfortunately, people don't know what that HTML is not a programming language, I suppose. Because, oof.
But if I remember correctly, the correct answer was B.
But
If it's not a programming language, then what is it?
HTML is a markup, so think of it similar to like XML or JSON. It's data. It's not like HTML itself is the actual data of the web page. Like HTML in its raw format doesn't contain conditionals. It doesn't contain loops. Like you can't assign variables in HTML. You need like a template language. Like in React, you have JSX, which lets you kind of, yeah. I know at first it seems like what it would be, because it is code in a sense, but it's not a programming language, if that makes sense.
Good question. Even though...
What about PHP? Isn't
Oh,
that
that's
a
definitely-
language?
That's definitely a language, yep. So that adds in all the stuff I'm talking about. It has the conditionals, the if statements, the while loops, the variables, all the stuff you'd expect in a programming language. And it has much more than that, but if you think about it, without PHP or without like JavaScript,
True.
you wouldn't be able to decide when to show or hide like an image, right? Everything would just be hard coded. Oh yeah, no, HTML is a key component of the internet, but it'd
We
be
wouldn't have
almost
user
useless.
panels.
It'd be almost completely useless without JavaScript or a back-end programming language. Like, think about like Microsoft front page or something that just, like, you can't take payments on just HTML. You need JavaScript running in the background, or PHP or Java or C#. You need something that can actually read form data, make calls to APIs. You can't do that just HTML by itself. It's a key component though.
That's true.
Just like CSS is a key component of HTML. You need to be able to style your page. And CSS is, even though CSS I wouldn't even consider a programming language either, even though you can define variables in CSS now. We'll dig into that a wee bit, it's interesting. Right, pizza time.
var.
Yep. Polls were a good idea to run, man. 'Cause we've had
VRB
more people.
reset.
We've had like 0 likes on tonight's stream, but we've had 13 votes in the poll. Find that brilliant. And nobody's PH.
Shivam says hi.
Shivam, hello. Welcome to the chat. How are you doing tonight? Or today, wherever you're at in the world. Internet's a big place. Really
It's a
annoying me
good
that we
stream I
can't.
found.
Oh, you talked about this one, buddy?
Can you tell me what going on now?
So right now I'm coding support for pulling the polls from YouTube into this world that I've coded. So this is all controlled by live chat. Here's your avatar over here actually. So if you chat again, you'll see that I've coded my own like streaming overlay. It lets me do everything from share my cameras to have guests on, share my desktop, and make live chat part of the stream. That's how I can hear your message. That's how Christian can hear your message. It's all connected.
I wanna be web dev too.
Right on. What sort of stuff do you want to develop?
Back.
That's the cool thing about development. Anyone can do it if they want to.
API. XP not increasing.
The poll is not changing, you're saying? It looks like it updated now. Shiva, make sure you like this live stream so we can tell YouTube to get more people on. This is the only way we get people on is if YouTube knows that you know how it works.
Info.
You got a sub from India.
Appreciate you, buddy. Thank you. Let's actually update our subs because we have a sub count now. If you look at the stats on the live stream on the, I've coded it so it all updates. There you go.
It missed my whole text before info.
Let me take a look. Sometimes YouTube doesn't send me chats for some reason. Most of the time it works, but sometimes it doesn't. That's what you said. Yeah, it looks like YouTube filtered that out, Christian. At least in top chat. Let me click live chat. Yeah, Christian, I'm not seeing. I can show you what I see. Come on. God, I have to like shrink everything for YouTube. It's so annoying. If you look at this, that's literally YouTube, so they must have filtered it out. I'm not sure why. PH, did you get up to much today, buddy? I didn't, but I will today if I get to sleep at a decent time. Oh shit, I reloaded on the system. Oops. Do that again.
Not enough sleep.
Yeah, man, I feel it. I'll be honest, I slept through the day like today, man. It didn't feel good. Doesn't feel
Just
good.
never stop thinking.
Yeah. Some of us can relate to that, yeah.
Bunch of sicknesses going around.
What do you mean, like flus and stuff, or what?
I find it dumb that it's doing this.
Christian, it's YouTube, because I'm not even seeing it in the YouTube chat. Never mind my project.
Yeah, it's season.
Yeah, PH, I'm feeling it too, actually. PH, Christian's saying some of his messages not been read out, but I'm not seeing them even in the chat. Can you confirm?
What are you doing for Christmas?
Question. So I found out the chick that I'm seeing, she won't be doing much for Christmas because she has no family down here. So,
Yeah, because he said YouTube is GA. Why?
yeah, that'll get sorted out, Christian. But I get the sentiment. Trust me, we all do. It's not really the home of free speech, that's for sure. We wouldn't be talking to each other if it wasn't for it, so.
And other message was too long probably.
See if it lists polls. I don't see any clean way to get the poll tally.
Messages get filtered out randomly if they are too long, I notice.
Yeah, that's true. We might have to dig into that at some point. So right now I'm just inspecting the data coming back from YouTube Live API because I really want to be able to get the poll tallies, like the actual results. It's great I can get the option, the question and the options, but like if I can't show a graph, what am I supposed to do with that?
Oh, are you kidding me?
Either a cap on special characters or a character length cap.
True's Edits says when you started.
Truex, good to see you, buddy. Truex, I messaged you on Discord if you take a
YouTube
look.
just
It
kicked me
suggests. Oh, Christian Smith, be careful. They'll literally auto-ban you for if they think you're getting testy. We're not doing anything but YouTube. You know how it is.
Of your live stream.
I was sleeping rolling on the floor laughing.
That's alright, Truex. Oh, that's annoying, Christian. What the hell? How are you watching? Like on your phone or? That's messed up. Why isn't it?
LOL.
YouTube's acting weird, man. Yeah, but the channel's getting suggested alongside, like the people watching this channel are watching much bigger developer streams. Like some that get like 50,000 views a stream. So we're leveling up, guys. I just wanted to say that.
Yeah, my Google Pixel.
Did it literally like just stop playing, or did YouTube crash? Because that's fucking weird. That's bloody weird. Constantly have to dance around language here, but guys, we might have to scrape to just get the poll results. Do you know if Streamlabs are like Nightbots pulls poll data? Because like I've been able to get the question and the options, but not the actual result of the poll. And apparently that's a known thing, so that's really aggravating, man. That's like unacceptable.
YouTube is so mean.
Yeah.
Ash
God,
says
oh,
morning,
God.
brother.
How are you doing, buddy? Good to see you. Happy weekend. This is so gross. There's no way that
Yeah,
this
good,
is how this
thanks.
works.
How's things?
It's going good. Going's good. Appreciate you asking. Ash, do you mind voting in the poll so I can see if I can fetch that data again? I'm trying to figure out what the hell is going on with the YouTube API here, if it's even possible. I think we have to... I'm hoping that it lists a poll.
I did it.
How was the next date?
You can't type out or spell out a word. So I got put back to the home page.
I just checked Discord open mouth face. Wow.
Right, it's impressive.
That's a great news.
Alright, I'm not seeing the results here, but I appreciate you trying it.
The word is
You get the job.
PH, I've not found out yet. Hopefully there's an interview next week. But I've not been out with that chick yet. I won't be seeing her till like, I don't know, sometime in the week. She's been texting me though, but I've not really. If she wants to talk, she should just call me. That's my opinion.
Jenkins _H.
Bet.
really. I can't even do that.
Yes, I feel
Christian's
you on
feeling
that.
it. I like talking to her, don't get me wrong, but
Jake Peter.
I don't know. It's hard to do in
Hate that
text.
women.
Cross YouTube.
What's funny, PH, is like she actually was the one that told me that she's not a big texter. So I've already adapted to it. So when she did start texting me, I'm like, we already talked about this.
Gar.
Oh, I was going to do more pizza. That's what I need. I'm like floating around starving. Wait a second, guys.
She just wants to feel close to you, I suppose.
That's
you edit
probably
it?
true.
Just joined your Discord.
Sweet, good to see you there.
Twitch stream ended.
Which stream ended? Oh, my streaming computer is bugging out. The hell, it's up for me. Can you edit the guys on screen? Yeah, Christian
Rolling on
Smith.
the
So
floor,
you,
laughing, rolling on the floor, laughing.
if you type,
XNXX stream ended.
so if you type wardrobe without the space,
Code lock
Christian, it'll
says,
update you.
Wardrobe without the space.
PH loves XNXX.
All right, guys, chill with that. We're already having enough problems with YouTube right now. Where are you, Christian?
Do you have a website with a front end to customize the characters and stuff, or is it all just command line for now?
Ash, great question. Yeah, I do actually. It's called KyntoParty.com. But you won't see this live streaming it, but yeah, it has exactly that. You can customize it. I'm trying to find, because Christian, you're invisible. You're down here. You spawned in the water. So type this.
Awesome work, brother.
Appreciate you, Ash. Thank you. Type that, Christian. We should be able to see you. I can see you down here. You're partly invisible because you're in the water. Ash, it's also how people can
Move up 7.
show me stuff in this room. No space though. No space. All right, let me get my.
I had an idea.
Next
I
poll,
like
please.
ideas. Next
Someone
poll.
is blocking the door, lol.
Oh. TrueX edits. Can you help Christian out with the move commands? I'm struggling to explain it. It's crazy. We got 17 votes on the poll.
Viral Babu says, Mr. Locke, how are you?
Viral Babu, good to see you, buddy. I took one of your polls and we're running them. Thank you for that. Why isn't this updating? Let's see what's going on here.
Is there a way to code like a frame that analyzes the words on screen using a camera that is locked into an area, and with the view of the chat it translates the
Did it work?
On the website, can you control your character with arrow keys?
Yep, and you can click. So if like I click here, yep, that's you, Christian. That's you right here. You've got the. I'm colorblind. I don't know if that's blue, pink, or purple, but that's you. And yeah, Ash, that's a great question. So here I am. Give me a sec to switch the keyboard over. That's arrow key control. You can jump. Or using pathfinding, you can just like click around or tap.
That's dope, bro.
Heck yeah.
So then you could integrate any chat without an API.
All right, so PHC's question, is there a way to code like a frame analyzer? So you're talking about like optical character recognition. That's definitely doable. And what's interesting about your idea is that wouldn't require scraping.
This reminds me
cool.
a lot of Habbo Hotel.
Ash, that's cool, man. Yeah, that Habo tells why I got into programming, I'll be honest. When I was like 11 or 12, I couldn't afford it, you know, to get furniture, so.
Yes, and then it reads it to the stream.
That's a cool idea for a, it's a cool idea, PH. Essentially doing scraping without, I'll write it down. You can explore
Wardrobe isn't
that.
working.
It is, Christian. You're wearing
Nice
a different
to see
clothes
your
now. Do
inspiration coming through in your work.
you not see? That's your character. It changed.
Then people could even stream like chats in others LOL.
That's funny. Thank you, Ash.
Wardrobe.
Christian, Christian, you did it right the other time. There's no space between it. It's just. So this is your character. When you type it like I did, it'll update. There you go. See, it changed to the same as everyone else. You keep changing it, it just randomly selects clothing. I'll make it so you can, like, I don't know, select shirt color and stuff in the future. But PH, that might be a way to solve the poll issue, honestly. Oh, I was trying to figure out what was going on here, wasn't I? Okay, there we go.
What else can it do?
There's tons of functionality. Only so much of it is exposed via chat. Most of it you actually have to play the game. But there's some commands. Like there's all sorts of different worlds, rooms. You can build
I
stuff.
thought of screenshotting his trivial questions because iPhone lets you copy texts from pictures.
No, exactly. That's the OTR or OCR, optical character recognition.
Can I change my voice?
That's a great question, Christian Smith. That is something I will be adding. Because right now, every stream you get a different voice. I want to make it so you can set the voice and set like the pitch and how fast it gets read back. So maybe the next day or two we'll code a new command. It's a great suggestion. And any more suggestions, just let me know. But look, you can decorate your rooms so you can place stuff.
Says YouTube added poll support to V3.
Yeah, Ash, so I'll show you. I'm getting the polls, so I'll literally show you what I'm getting. Give me a second. Make sure that there's nothing risky here. Yeah, so look at this. So you can see that I am getting the question text and option text, but the problem is, what's really bugging me is the tally is showing
This
a
is
zero.
So cool.
Hell yeah, Christian, I appreciate you. Type crawl, you know, exclamation point crawl, I'll make you lie down. So we are getting the questions back, that's great and all, but I need to be able to show what the results is in the poll to like show it in the graph. And apparently they don't support that. So that's why I'm struggling a bit. This is straight from the API.
That's odd.
It is. That's why I have to keep pulling this off screen, because I'm like debugging the raw message list to see if there's entries for polls when you click it, but I don't see anything. Quite frustrating, actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to vote on my phone. So it'll be the last chat message. Hopefully it's listed as an entry. Shit, 1%. Right.
Wanna hear something horrible that had me pulling my hair out for 2 days?
Oh god. Go for it. It be like that sometimes, huh? What? I can't vote in my own poll? It be like that sometimes, huh? That's messed up. How am I supposed to test this? Alright, let's switch accounts. God, YouTube is annoying me, man. Here we go.
Looked on the docs and get artist info appears to provide an artist image.
Help, I have fallen. And I can't get up. Face with tears of joy, face with tears of joy, face with tears of joy.
Alright, so what did Ash say? Looked on their doc. Did it filter some of your stuff out? Looked on their docs to get artist info and it appears to provide an artist image. I'm not sure, Ash, if it.
But yet I read
YouTube
on Reddit
watch.
they stopped doing artist images, but this isn't mentioned anywhere on their API docs.
Dude, I feel you on the pain of. I think API documentation's got worse since AI because they just don't take care of it anymore. It's never been this bad. I feel your pain, man. That's unacceptable. What was the actual service you were trying to pull from? Okay, I forgot to vote. There we go. Get. Look at Christian lying down.
I can't wait to do things like this.
Uh-oh, did we lose something? Yep, we did. We lost all our secondary cameras. That's really good. Church out.
Changed is
Out.
out now to use Spotify API instead now.
Christian, it's a lot of fun, man. Make sure you're. I think you already said you're in the Discord, right? Okay. We lost this camera. We did.
Can I roll around?
That's a good. That's a fun one to code.
I don't have Discord.
Oh, no worries. There we go. Yeah, Christian, just let me know what commands you'd like to see added, and we'll code them on stream. Ash. Oh, you're the one that mentioned that you were working on the like your own sort of Spotify situation, right? think we talked about that yesterday. Hey guys, we're not going to be able to pull data without scraping or doing optical character recognition. I've got one more thing I can try.
Yeah, man.
Dog, out.
Squashing bugs ATM.
It never ends. Never ever ends. Wow. PH, I have to go your route. This is crazy. Even ChatGPT is saying the same what I've found here. I'd have to code like custom commands for people to vote. I'm like, no, I just want to use the YouTube poll results. To actually get the poll tally, we're gonna have to either scrape the page or do OCR.
So, everything was changing when AI first came out with YouTube API.
Ash says, luckily I love squashing bugs. I enjoy the challenge and the dopamine hit. Very relatable, dude. Very relatable.
Oh, the AI rude, haha.
Alright, we're going to take a look at this repo on GitHub that scrapes YouTube chat and see if it has support for polling. I don't see it. Oh, I watched Interstellar again last night after the stream. It was so good. I stayed up to like bloody 10 AM watching Interstellar
Rain makes me
on
depressed.
YouTube. Oh man, you'd struggle in Scotland, just like the rest of us. Christian Smith says 2002, I noticed a lot of my APIs broke because of AI stuff. Yeah, a lot of services are locking down their APIs because, you know,
Dang.
they don't want their data robbed and fed into fed into trainer. See, I'm funny. Like, I'll like it until it's raining too long. And then I'm like, this sucks. Bring back sun. Was it raining by UPH?
CSNT, stop it now. The AI race.
No.
And yes.
You're right.
I wonder if my Discord and Minecraft bots are still running.
Man, I need to like actually explore Minecraft. I have it, but I've never played it. But I know it's got really cool features with like the redstone. I've seen people make crazy shit on YouTube. You know, like CPUs and Mario, crazy stuff. probably get some ideas playing it, so I probably should. Is that still updating? Yes. How are we doing on the poll? 21 votes. This is annoying. And scraping this is going to be a pain.
I
It's
wish
not
it was
fun.
easy to build a GPU IRL.
Ha! You know, I think about that often. Like if all the factories were destroyed that, you know, currently produce our chips, how many decades would it take to
Really?
make a new one?
Oh my gosh. When I get a new computer, you can play with me. LOL, we can do YouTube stuff.
Yeah, no, definitely. PH is going to try to get me on RuneScape next. I'll probably be down for it. Yeah, I think we're going to have to consider this a lost cause. So close. This is just frustrating. Let's add some logging real quick and we'll try my backup
It's the
system.
best Java game I've ever played.
I need to get a cookie and a smoke BRB.
Feel it. Alright, so what we're gonna do now.
Sounds like me.
Yeah.
I got blazed and ate to make cookies yesterday.
Worst things to do, I suppose, eh? Alright, let's dump all this out.
My stomach definitely hurt before bed, LOL.
Pumpkin chocolate chip is where it is though.
Let's see.
Never had that.
But once you vote in a poll, you can't change your answer? Oh, it's because I'm not subscribed. I'm not subscribed. Can someone unvote on the poll and then vote again? I have logs up on this side. I just want to see if I can get this to come in as like the message list. Like, is it gonna?
We can't unvote after we voted.
Okay. Yeah, see, this is what it's like trying to develop for a live YouTube chat. It's so annoying, dude.
It's final.
Okay. Shit, what am I supposed to do then? We'll just have to let it run and hope someone else that comes on the stream clicks it. It's currently at 21 votes. Well, that happens. We'll just sit here and wait. Ugh.
If you can't find a way, urgent restart stream is final option.
Yeah, that's a rough one. Okay, this isn't even gonna catch it. Damn.
Indeed.
It's like 37 F or 1 degree Celsius.
Oof. Ow. I noticed I'm like, man, like if it's low 70s out here and it's like, I'm gonna get a blanket. Like I said, I
Outside
went
RM.
soft with the weather.
Perfect weather.
Oh no. I'd cry.
I wear shorts in 40s.
I'm wearing pants for the first time in probably 10 months.
It took 2 years to adjust. After
That's it.
20 years in Florida.
Man, you did pretty good.
You adapt.
Yeah, I remember getting off the plane when I first moved to Florida. It was so hard to breathe, and it was January. I moved here in January 2005, and the heat hit me like I was walking into an oven, and it was January in Florida. It shows you what I came from. Brutal. Genuinely brutal. Offer message.
I can't unvote.
I know. Still waiting for someone else to vote, but no one has.
That's my favorite part of Florida. The water in the air.
Oh yeah, it's thick. I mean, honestly, Scotland's also very humid, but it's just a cooler temperature, so that means less water in the
You're
air.
crazy.
But
I had a friend in shorts in minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 30 degrees Celsius.
yeah, see, I don't know about you, but my balls would be inside my stomach. Like, that's not happening, man. It's not happening. I remember driving into a really cold.
Same.
Like, we were at a stream in Scotland with my cousin. I was like 15 at the time. Dove into the water,
Face with
hit the water, and I
Like I said, you adapt.
couldn't breathe. Like, it took the air out of my lungs just hitting that cold water. The water is probably like, you know, low 40s, high 30s. Brutal. Absolutely brutal. Come on, someone, give us a bloody vote, poll vote. We're sitting here waiting
It's
for it.
painful in the beginning.
Yeah. I've not showed you guys on YouTube recently, but if you look at my stuff last year, I was doing a lot of free diving.
Wait, I found it.
A ton
But
of
I
free
also
diving.
condition and do stuff like take cold showers.
Yeah, so I have a well in Florida, and the water comes out the ground at like 78 degrees. That's my
I
cold
do
shower.
exercises.
I says tally can be shown by API if channel allows the API
I went swimming in 37 degrees Fahrenheit. I had an asthma attack.
Ash, where'd you see that? I need that. Yeah, Christian Smith, exactly. That's what I was describing. Like, that happened to me. I don't even have asthma. Like,
That's
it's like
some
getting
warm
punched.
water, haha.
It's like getting punched in the ribs or the back. You know, when you get punched really hard and it takes the wind out of you. That's what it's like going into
Under
water.
settings, I
It's like,
think.
all right, let's investigate.
If you got
Shit, where
asthma,
did-
that makes sense.
Yeah, human beings can go hypothermic in water at 60 degrees.
But best friend is suffering right now, plus he smokes. He has asthma.
Ah, that sucks. Alright, I'm trying to see settings to see if there's anything I can do here.
Suffering from the cold air.
I've only been to Colorado once, and it was beautiful.
But smoking doesn't help, lol.
But the elevation fucked with me, because even in Scotland I lived at sea level. No, that's
I
true.
don't know how he smokes a pack a day but hits the inhaler.
Oh, I know plenty of people like that, man. It's crazy. Eh? Really trying to find a way to do this. Live reactions, live commenter, producers. No. Oh, there's a leaderboard in YouTube? I didn't know that. Where'd you see that? Oh, wonder if we could pull that from the stats. Look, there's an actual...
Gets so excited about his refills but still smokes, lol.
Come on, focus. Anyway, there's a leaderboard on YouTube. I wonder if we could pull that.
Yeah, smoking doesn't help. I don't smoke that much anymore. A pack can last me for about a week.
Yeah, I like to have a smoke if I have a drink, you know what I mean?
He's a good dude though, just don't understand it, lol.
It's funny, as soon as I need someone new
Linus
to
telling
vote in
me to
this
get
poll,
that gave me the clap that one time.
as soon as I need someone to vote in the poll, the votes stop from random people. It's so funny. Oh,
Oh,
geez,
you'll be
PH.
fine without a rubber, she hardly gets any.
Yikes.
We have bad air here in the winter.
Knew I should have stopped by the gas station, lol.
Yeah, you would have saved yourself some money on that one. Brutal. You only make that mistake once, I suppose. Christian, you mean like it's polluted or what?
Wanna know what makes it worse but funny?
Oh, go for it, man.
Yeah.
Ooh, Christian, that's rough. I lived in a chemical district in Scotland at one point. I remember being quite grossed out as a kid looking at all the smokestacks pumping shit out into the air. Try to remember the name of it. Starts with a G.
I didn't know I had it because no symptoms, and I gave the clap to my current GF, didn't find out for months, lol.
Oh my god, you're so lucky that she likes you. Oh no. Oh no. I watched like body cam channels, and there was a prison guard, a female that slept with an inmate and gave him the burn. That's how she got caught. It's just rough.
She said it's okay because I didn't know. I was weirded out that she wasn't mad at me. LMO.
Seriously. Yeah, knock on wood, I've not had any of that shit, but I'm super careful. Like AIDS and stuff scared the hell out of me as a kid, so wee bit of a hypochondriac when it comes to all that, man. Like,
We get bad dust storms form the old lakes that as bad toxins.
Oh man, are you out in like I can't remember the name of these dried out lakes in California and Nevada. What's it called?
Nevada.
Salton Sea and Owens Lake. Those are the two I know about. Like they literally had to set up sprinklers to like wet the ground to keep the dust down. Damn pH for sure. Got me beat, that's for damn sure. Holy smokes. We need to put that in a leaderboard for your pH. You get your own carve out.
Fun times though.
Yeah, I'm sure. How do you even meet that many? You just go into the clubs, like apps, what? Social butterfly over there, Jesus. Does anyone have another account they can do another poll vote? Because I'm still waiting. And
Tinder,
no one's like
Meet Me, Bumble, online chats, and random strangers.
Damn. So all of the above.
I do.
All right. I'm gonna watch the logs. Let me know when you do it. Because I was just sitting here waiting because we got like so many people that did it and it just stopped. As soon as I started like logging it.
Hot wife says, hey, shoddy.
All right, so you did it now. You already voted. I'm not seeing anything other than chats. I was hoping that maybe a poll was like if you vote in a poll, it would come back in the message API as a
Yes, sir.
item,
Tears of
but
joy.
it's not. All right, I appreciate you doing that. This is frustrating. But what are you gonna do? Welcome to live development.
I got more.
It's alright, you gave me what you needed here. Appreciate it. Okay. Wait, no, so Ash was right. The tally is only present if the API request is authorized by the channel
good.
owner. Alright. Okay, so we might be able to do something here. Ash was right. It's right here. I said it the whole time. So now I just need to figure out how to actually enable it. So how do I do this? Oh, you're co-created. You keep me company while I sit here and virtually pull my hair out.
Did my message no go through?
No, the AI would have filtered that out, but I hear what you're saying. What the hell? Yeah, no, I hear it's quite common. Like, most people end up getting it. Did you pass it to the girl? I'm curious.
So I'm by.
Ah, damn, we're gonna have to do OAuth shit to get this working.
So you can see my message?
Yeah, I can read it, it just didn't read it out. The whole point of that is there's an AI mod built into this system I coded here, so like, you know, people can't say like bad words and get the channel taken down, you know what I mean?
Ha ha ha, you got it too.
Yeah. I think that's how that should respond to PH.
It's just a pill though.
Yeah, it's an antibiotic, right? I think out of all of them, it's like the least dangerous one to get.
It's not
'cause
as
it's
bad as
treatable.
people make it out to be.
Alright, we're gonna have to figure out the OAuth system for YouTube, which is a bloody nightmare, guys. There's no way I'm gonna be able to achieve that tonight. I tried this already to do chat insertions. There's two ways we can get data from YouTube API. Using our API key which is a secret, which gives us access to public data, or an OAuth key, OAuth, which is attached to the user account, and we can get private data from it. But yeah, it's not fun.
Yeah,
OAuth
but I
isn't
never
fun.
knew until I met my ex-girlfriend, who was headed from me.
Damn. Did she give you a hard time for it, Christian? PH got off easy. Probably because she was a nurse, PH. Probably like... It was like...
I'm not bi but was desperate for free stuff once. I was looking for a date on Craigslist and guy offered bunch of free stuff to slop, so I pictured Mila Kunis.
Oh no. Oh man, you've lived a full life. No shame in your game though, I respect it.
Drugs make you do wild things, lol.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. Your honesty is pretty refreshing, honestly. That's true. Shite.
I'm brutally honest and real. You ain't noticed, lol.
Oh no, I've noticed, but noticing it more.
Then I had a guy who used the ruffles on me.
Ruffles. What's that one? If it's too much, ever tell me. I'm chill.
I think if there was more people on, I'd be more concerned. But thankfully, the AI seems to be doing a pretty good job. It doesn't read out the crazy shit.
Date RAP.
Kinda like your brother, probably. No filter.
Yeah, definitely. Jeez, Christian. Oh my god.
OGHB type stuff. My dad was slipped something once.
Makes me feel good about being like a hermit. Do you know what I mean?
He wrecked his car and couldn't find it but left because he didn't feel right.
I've been out with a girl that was had her drink spiked. She got away from it, but it sounded very traumatic. Those people deserve to be, you know what I
Couldn't
mean?
find it the next day but it was up the road lol.
Wait, so he ditched a car and made it home?
He thinks it was because someone was gonna rob him that he got slipped something.
Yeah, that's a huge risk. Damn. There's a lot more I'd add to this conversation, but like, I know YouTube's funny. But I know in Colombia,
Yeah, he walked
there's the
home
whole
after he hit the curb, just had a blown tire.
there's the whole Black Widow thing.
Car was in a field but fine.
Damn. Luckily, he didn't get in
you guys
trouble
see
for
that
it.
message?
Yeah, we seen it. Doesn't sound very fun.
God, I hated Crystal. Did that with a dude and two once. Never again.
Okay. Yeah, then my uncle said that he was using me. So I called it off.
Guys, I think I'm
What?
just shutting
LOL.
this down. Because it's 4:30 in the morning and I'm going to be up a couple of more
OMVM, I
hours.
get it.
But I really have to get out of this bloody house today. I think next stream I'll investigate OAuth and actually get that set up properly. I'll let it
Dang.
so we can have the Kynto bot post stuff into the Kynto live chat. So like if people type in Twitch, we could have it show up in the YouTube live chat and stuff like that. It'd be cool. I've been
Was
in bad
just getting
state.
juicy.
You see me cringing over here. Like, this isn't development stuff. Ugh. I'm personally all for free speech, but you know how YouTube is. It's...
My bad.
No, you're good. I was like thinking in my head, like,
Would like
damn,
get
we're gonna
the
have to.
poll and send it to your program.
We're gonna have to like set up a Rumble, Rumble or something. And now you get the poll and send it to your program. What do you mean, Christian?
Okay, let's
So
tone it down, guys, and myself.
Night but asterisk.
Nightbot. So Christian, that's That's a good point that you bring that up. So I think they're using OAuth to pull it. So we're able to get the poll, we're just not able to get the tally, but it turns out we can if I make the request with OAuth and not just the, you know, channel API key. OAuth's a wee little bit of a biatch to deal with for YouTube, so that's why I'm not going to be able to do it tonight. But there is a way to get this tally. So we are going to be able to do this, but I'm gonna have to like beat the system around. What I'll probably end up doing is taking a laptop to the couch and get it done, because it's kind of risky to do OAuth stuff on stream because it can reveal API keys and channel could get hacked. There's a lot of stuff that goes into making it so that doesn't happen. You know what I mean? Like if I was careless, dude, I would have leaked so much stuff further. API keys, all sorts of crap. So not only am I like developing these live streams and chat, and I'm like trying to do it careful.
Yeah.
And PH, we went from like getting almost 2,000 views yesterday to 400 tonight, but I'm always fine it's quieter on a. I guess it's just quiet tonight. What are you gonna do? All right,
What is your
guys,
favorite soda?
Iron Brew, Scottish soda, but I'm drinking Coca-Cola right now.
Was a lot of people here yesterday.
Yeah, there was. That was brilliant. Let me show you guys a couple of videos before we roll out. Since the chat was a wee bit spicy, you guys would appreciate the Iron
Mountain
Brew
Dew and
ads.
DR Pepper.
Give me a second, we'll
I love Iron
line
Port.
some stuff up. Try to find a playlist. Alright, hold up. I got something for you guys. Let me line all this up so you can see. And then here. Alright.
But I'm
Give me a
ADR
sec.
Pepper and Coca-Cola.
Damn, my streaming, dude, the stream might be quiet tonight because my streaming computer's like crying.
Power Skip. Dark Trance soundtrack on the way soon.
Fan.
Gonna be longer next time.
2 seconds. What else do I need to do to do this? Mute the music. Well, let's keep it there. So it flows up. Power of skills. You know what Iron Brew is. Alright.
Bar's Iron Brew, made in Scotland from Gunters.
So a lot of these ads have been banned in the UK. Actually, this one. Let me find a good one.
Give your old granddad a sip.
Dang, it ruined the roller.
It's alright, Grandad. You finish it.
Let me try and find a super
Oh,
controversial one.
UI.
Iron Port is the same thing as that drink.
Funny.
Is it?
I want to call her Fanny.
You can't call her Fanny. Fanny, eh? I like it. It's unusual.
Loli
Granny was a Fanny.
Okay, I have to try it.
In a long line of
Hold on, there's a specific one I'm trying to find. Alright, this is the one.
Haha. WEBGL na Christobooksies.
Alright, and there's one other crazy one.
That one is creepy.
Yeah. Well, this one's a little lighter.
Ready, everybody?
Everybody in the world loves iron brew.
WEBGL na Christobooksies.
I think only one place caress it anymore.
Me does.
I especially love iron brew. Even though I used to be a man. Even though I used to be a man.
Try playing that in 2025. Yeah. Between power skills and Christian in your conversation tonight. I would appreciate seeing
A
that
B
shit.
C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Ah.
2025 lefties approve.
Yeah, exactly, PH. Be right back. I'm being cancelled now for showing you guys a video.
What did I just watch?
Not for the anti-boss stuff.
Christian, it's just it's the advertisements. Scotland's a little bit funny when it, you know, they take the piss a little bit. The BBC ended up banning those ads. I mean, you got to be able to laugh at yourself. That's kind of the culture in Scotland. No one is free from getting the piss taken out of them. Like, if someone doesn't give you crap in Scotland, they don't like you. Do you know what I mean? PH gets it.
Poor Burger says hello. Yes, I love it.
I know.
Poor Burger,
Face
hello.
with tears of
My kind of people.
Christian says, I know, but damn. Oh, the oldies get, everyone gets it, man. Everybody. What's going on, Poor Burger? About to sign off, buddy. Almost 5 in the morning, and I do plan on actually getting out. And still. What I need to do is just get on earlier so I can do longer streams. Like that's the plan.
It's all tickety boo.
Alright, let's check the poll before we shut this down. So we've got 27 votes. What does the API stand for?
same thing where I live. Everyone.
Amaze Pasta says hello, sir.
Amaze Pasta, hello. Happy weekend. It looks like we got the question right tonight. Application programming interface. Hope is restored.
Names.
Namaste indeed. Christian, give him hell. They deserve it. There's a difference between like taking the piss and bullying someone. Bullies deserve to have their, you know, deserve to be rearranged, but That's different.
Does it mean pasta?
Look up Bane USA ads.
Alright, let me have a look. Is there any ones in specific that I should look at? Oh god. Some of these seem a wee bit... See, America has a different reputation than the UK does when it comes to things that are bannable. Oh, I don't know if I want to go here, dude. I might have to watch it first.
What is Namseta?
Yes,
There's
State
like a
Farm
banned
banned
audio
commercial.
ad. Oh, let's watch the Michael Jordan one before we roll out. How
I'm
about
Michael
that?
Jordan. McDonald's restaurants have given me this time to talk to you about
It's
something
like
you
about,
both
I think.
really care about. Kids. Kids are the reason McDonald's sponsors their Get It Straight program, a national drug awareness effort. Think about this. Many of you using drugs out there now are under 18. Do you realize that at 18, you have
State
lived
Farm
only
Barnes
1/4
commercial. I'll
of your
take a
life?
look.
When you're using drugs, you're only cheating yourself out of the chance to find out who you really can be. And believe me, if you don't use drugs, you can just about be in.
Alright, he said that too many times. YouTube's so weird, guys. Like, you will get flagged for anything. But
State
I'm gonna
Farm ones are good too.
I'll take a look. Hopefully it's not, yeah.
Search me at the zoo.
Trex edits, is that another banned one?
On YT.
Computers are all lagging tonight, bro. It's terrible.
It's White's first video.
Alright, I'm trying to search, but the computer's locked up.
Me at the zoo.
Let me close all this. Bear with me, I've got too much stuff open, I guess.
Me at the zoo.
In 2005 it is uploaded.
Got you. Are we gonna get in trouble playing it? Oh no, that's like the first YouTube video. Yeah, we may as well play that. That's not a bad one.
Alright, so here we are, one of the elephants.
This is like the first YouTube video ever. Is that the case, 2X? Yeah, that's what you said.
Long fronts, and that's cool.
Thank you for giving me something that won't get me in trouble.
And that's pretty much all there is to say.
In just one video he hit almost 6 meters. Subs.
Wow. And I think that's the only video he ever posted. Yeah, that's it. Christian, I think it filtered it out, other than the State Farm video. That's the last message I see.
6 million.
Take it. Yeah, if you look it up, Jod is the original creator of
LOL,
YouTube.
That video is so lame too.
His channel is monetized rolling on the floor laughing.
Is it really, Truex?
In a
Yeah,
video.
I think Jod is literally the creator of YouTube. Yep, Jod Karim. He's the one that sold it to YouTube. He's worth about 300 million today.
Ads.
31 votes, wow.
I know. Truex edits. We had like 20 votes before we got a single like on the channel.
I got.
Oh no.
I'm old Greg.
I forgot about the last part.
dying laughing.
Okay, I'm back.
Here they come, here they come. Lick on it, just lick it or something. All right.
WB.
License and registration.
Officer, I know that,
License and registration, please.
At least I'm
First
not the
watch
only
this.
freak here now, though.
No, PH, definitely not. Christian, you missed
Thank
old
you,
Greg.
Christian.
You missed old Greg. Oh, why can't I think it? Oh, I'll show you one.
Com ads are funny.
And Monty Python, one of the best shows.
Old Greg love games. That one's funny too.
Do you want to go to a club where everyone wheezes on each other?
Kmart, I ship my bed.
What chat?
Commercial.
Viral Babu says, what
Babu.
chat GPT version was first released? GPT-5, GPT-2,
He has
or
arrived.
GPT-2.1, or GPT-3.5? I'm going to go with GPT-2. It could be 2.1, but I'll go with 2.
Kmart. LOL.
Man, I've not seen a Kmart in like 10 years. Do they even exist? I'll tell you, the biggest loss was Radio Shack. I loved Radio Shack.
3.5.
No, there was one
Face
before.
screens.
Kmart was
Not anymore.
Viral Babu, I thought,
no bankrupt now.
so I discovered GPT when GPT 3.5 came out, but like I looked it up and people were using it for years beforehand.
There is still a
3.5.
Okay, interesting. Well, you know, there's still a Radio Shack in Cape Coral. No kidding, dude. I might have to go out there with a camera.
3.5 was the first tears of joy we got publicly.
Interesting. Okay, that was a good one.
It's 2.5, guys. I just asked her.
yes, sir.
Her.
Thank you so much.
Yes, January.
Wait,
Who is her here?
no.
Hey, Matan.
They closed down now.
Real quick, I want to thank everybody and say that I think I want to nominate this award to my Reformed Orthodox Rabbi, Bill Clinton. Thank you, everybody.
The kid's hilarious.
Thank you so much.
Mata and Evan on YouTube. He
I just
hijacked
shipped
the.
my bed.
I'm sad that was the last one. It was still there 3 years ago.
That's literally it. Wait,
I
it's
just
closed
shipped my
down now?
drugs.
No. Christian, you're gonna need a nappy. That's not good.
I'm going to beach with umbrella tomorrow.
Viral Babu, that's what I need to do. That's literally what I have to do. Are you gonna swim or are you gonna like just chill? But that's literally what I'm thinking about doing, is hitting the beach.
(814) Southwest Pine Island Road.
Man, that is my home. That's like where I came into America. That's so funny. Let me Google it.
Unit 211.
Dude, I've been to that one. And see, it's closed now, but like that island is literally there. You know, remember the little Matchbox remote control cars that would charge on the controller and you drive them about like a tabletop? That's where I got my first one. Was that Radio Shack? Love those things. I still have one. I'll probably show you.
Yup.
This isn't the exact same model that they sold in Radio Shack, but I got these a couple of years ago.
I loved the smods. I used to get those a lot.
Good night, guys.
I see you, Christian. Curious if this works, guys. Hold on a second. Let's see if this works before I roll it out. Christian, make sure to take a shower first, okay? Let's get chatting.
I had one of those. Night.
Bye bye, waving hand light skin tone.
Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, 100%. Alright, how does it charge again? Before I roll out, I do want to show you guys this working, because I don't know if they had these in India. Maybe they did. Damn, I don't think it's charging now. You pop the car on the controller and it...
See you tomorrow, maybe. What is funny, I just got out of it before joining this stream.
I loved walking around saying I gave her the clap and then clapped my hands.
Oh my god.
It was funny for the record.
You make her cringe. How does this thing charge? I don't see any contacts. I don't even remember. I thought you just set it on it and it would just charge. How does this work? Yeah,
No, she laughed
just...
also.
Oh, you've got a good one, PH. How'd you do that?
Then eventually got annoyed.
Eventually got annoyed. Oh man, you're all laugh, dude. That's for sure. Guys, I think my tiny car doesn't work anymore. It only supposed to take like a minute or so to charge. Oh, damn, I see the problem.
Personality makes people trust you.
Hold on. It has a little power cord and I don't have it. Shit.
And I guess I make the worst scenarios fun.
Well, that's a skill. Talent. I think you're born that way, right? I love how the instructions are in Chinese, so give me a second here. The plug is in the controller? Oh, hold on. Yeah, oh man, this is a total different one than the one from Radio Shack. This actually has a little power jack that comes out there. And you plug it into the car.
It was acquired.
So you developed it. Would you describe yourself as a confident person, PH? Damn, it smells like electronics.
A lot of abuse makes you tough. I used to
That's
be
true.
easily offended and quiet.
Give this a couple of minutes to charge before we get out of here.
Wasn't confident when I started, but now I am after all the women say I'm handsome.
Yeah, that would do it. I was a bit shy in school in America because I was very noticeable when I spoke.
I still have friends that are women try to flirt with me and say good morning handsome and stuff.
What's your chick think of that? She's just used to it. Guys, we might have to replace the battery in here.
Shy is good.
How many subs we got today? Thinking face, thinking face, thinking face.
Correct. Nowhere as many as yesterday. Now, we got PH to thank for a good bit of it, but we got like 25 yesterday. Today we
And
got
she
5.
knows, but they aren't a threat to her.
Well, she knows then. PH, I think the reason we didn't get many subs today is because it's a, you know, it's like the weekend. If I was on during the day, we'd get way more
Refresh
subs.
the subs.
All right.
Number.
True. But you were on.
Snapo says 1 new subscriber.
It's technically 3465. That's the true number.
Later than most people are up.
Yeah, exactly. PH, I only have myself to blame.
Yes, that can be also the reason.
I fell asleep around 11. And I woke up like 1. Like shit. I still need to do a stream because if I don't do the stream, then you know it starts the cycle of not doing streams. We don't need that. I think this is literally broken. I think the battery's dead in the car.
I hope it's not me and Christian's fault, lol.
We'll find out. If you don't see me live tomorrow, then you know something bad happened on YouTube. Well, I think we'll be alright.
Same thing happened. I
watch-
slept at 12 and woke at 1:30.
Yeah, brutal.
Just look at it.
Tears of joy.
That's true. PH says just look at it as you're hanging out each night and you won't stress as much. That's true, man. And that's like, that's what it's became, and it's made it way bloody easier. That's for sure. Way easier. It's not a performance. It's literally just chilling and coding. So you nailed it. Alright. We're going to have to do a live stream during the day anyway, because I've got a bunch of drones, and I can actually put the drone feed into the live stream here and show you, like, guys, alligators and shit. There's a bunch of shit right in my yard. I've got alligators in my yard. Not even kidding. How long does this thing take to charge?
Can't take it serious, but at the same time it's serious in commitment.
Yeah, that's true. It's pretty rewarding though. I've been looking at the stats. I sent Truex some of them, and we're getting served up with big channels now. Well, relative, like I clicked on one of the channels.
Subs, likes, that's good to hear, and we can definitely hope to cross the viewers.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. I mean, you guys just look at the channel even just a couple of months ago, we weren't even getting 400 people, 300 people in a stream. Lucky to get 1 sub, now we're getting like 20, 30 a night. Tonight we didn't get that, but like that's, we did get like 30 votes in the poll. So, no complaints.
So I'm like
it's cool
the
to
hype
see.
man at this point, I think, lol.
100% PH. I look forward
You
to
guys
coming
are
on and
the
chatting with you.
brains.
Truex, you're a huge help, but we need a new thumbnail without the day in it, so I could just use the same thumbnail. Right now it says like 104 or something.
I figured I'd be annoying but
Sure, I will tweak something and make more.
Nah, PH, I look forward to chatting with you. We've talked
usually
about a lot of
move
stuff.
fast through parties of people lol.
I think you want to see this through. You want to see what happens with the... We're going to have chaos eventually. We're going to have a lot of avatars and a lot of problems to solve, which is cool. Yeah, I think this battery's dead. What are you going to do? Oh well.
Heck yeah, likewise.
You guys bring too many good ideas as well for the hopes.
This live became something I look.
We got how many people today on the stream?
Hell
Assuming
yeah.
from likes it's 1K plus.
You'd think so, right? We only got 500 views. So Truex edits, the amount of likes we get per stream has went up way higher. The AVD's really high. Like, people are engaging with the streams, but YouTube didn't dump a bunch of people on us tonight. But I'm not feeling bad because that's a good like ratio to an AVD. A minute, 40 seconds AVD. That tells me the next stream we do, I don't know, it's possible to get like 5K in a week or so.
I'ma be
Let's
sad
see.
when you quit because there ain't gonna be this vibe coding live to look forward to anymore, honestly.
Oh, that's the thing, we're not vibe coding, are we? I hope I don't quit. I mean, I've been at it long enough. I was doing it a long time when like no one was engaging. So why would I stop when people are engaging? But you know, it's always a possibility, right? If I disappear, you guys have to wonder if I got deported or something. That's the real, I'll be honest.
I saw the penguin doing live stream Tears of Joy. He was not getting more than 2 people.
Yeah, you're like growing even in personality.
Appreciate you, PH. Yeah, you're kind of seen me go through some life.
It's made you way more comfortable on camera.
That's cool to hear. Definitely something to get used to. I'm sure you could imagine it's not meant typical, right? I used to look at people and I'm doing the YouTube or whatever, I'm like, I don't know how the fuck they do it. The key is not to take yourself so seriously. Yeah, like, don't take myself so seriously, because, dude, I'm gonna die eventually, so it's like, fuck it.
And sharper
Not doing it.
speaker because you gotta keep up with the chat.
Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully that pays off in my professional life, I'll be honest. I'll be honest, even at my jobs and stuff, when you're supposed to turn your webcam on, I was the one guy that never
It's
turned
like
his
having
webcam
a
on.
couple beers before socializing.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. And PH, when would you say that, like, you've seen people start coming on here? Because you've been following this for like 4 or 5 months, maybe even more now. When do you think the change happened? That we like actually got people on here?
I feel that I hate team meets.
Yeah. I never updated my profile picture at work, it just says W. For my first name. What is it?
After your ex you really boosted in nature.
We have to be
Yeah.
patient, grin, and eventually we are growing every day. Even one more sub is growth, no matter how small, but it's a growth rising market.
Appreciate you, Truex, it's true. And PH, I'd agree with you actually. I think the main thing is because I was honestly too occupied worrying about what she wanted. I couldn't make her happy, so wasn't doing my own shit. That's what money looks like in the UK, by the way. It's literally plastic. You can see through it. See that? No. You can see the keyboard for the money. A little bit different than American money, yeah. It's not even paper, it's literally plastic. Listen. And you know what's funny, PH? Is literally after the X left, is when
the correct answer for the appy. That's good. 30% are just messing up. Tears of joy.
PH is when I started streaming nightly. So I don't have anyone arguing with me anymore. And yeah, True X, I feel way more hopeful about tonight's poll than I did last night's, that's for sure. And yeah, PH says, that's what I love about my girl, we each do our own thing and respect each other's hobbies. That's legit. I had that for like maybe like 2 years.
She paid for my 2K rig and built herself one too.
Dude, that's legit. Yeah, I don't have any of that. I was impressed when a girl bought me a monster and some chewing gum. Shows you what I've been dealing with. I'm a generous person. You know, my friends to family to girlfriends. Like, I share. Let's just put it that way.
Wasn't her thing, so I ended up with her rig as my server.
That's the way to do it.
Awesome, 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 awesome.
You're excited. Did you catch the chat with Christian?
I have.
Awesome.
PH has
I
had many women.
Good women still exist.
Yeah. No, you're right on that. I'm enjoying the whole dating thing, honestly. It's refreshing. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Plus, I do pretty well on one of the apps, dude. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but no complaints.
Awesome is really awesome.
It is. It is. And I like this chick I'm talking to, and we'll see if it works out or whatever it looks like. I don't know. I'm not putting anything on it, just going with it. It's just nice having someone that isn't bitter.
It's
fun. You know what I mean?
Dating is great until you find one that is your kind of crazy and it just all works.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I've learned a lot of lessons, man. I definitely wasn't, you know, I don't know.
Then it naturally becomes exclusive.
Yeah. Honestly, I won't be the one that pushes for that. It'll have to be up to her to have that conversation with me. That's kind of how I'm viewing it.
Viral Babu gave an engaging quiz out there. I like that.
Yeah, he sent me a bunch of great ones, so we'll be running more tomorrow. Hopefully, get on. I'll bring a computer so we can do a remote one.
Next thing you know,
even
she
if I'm in
puts a
town.
ring on it and is your cheerleader.
Yeah. It's a trip. Dude, I had a girl. The last one that told me I would never find anyone that liked me.
Person blue speaking microphone.
Obviously, probably a bit nuts, but when you've been with someone 6 years, you do listen to what they have to say. Yeah. Power Skills knows all about that, don't you, Power Skills?
But it is rare. Oops. Now she's wrong, you'll see.
Yeah. Oh god. Alright, I'll pack the computer, so I'll be in town today, but we could try a bloody stream out in public, that'd be funny. Like
Face red droopy eyes.
Cava bar or something. There's one that's pretty quiet in the back where I could pull a laptop out. I want to get used to streaming in public. That's like the next step to go to shit. It's definitely weird. But what are you gonna do? At least I'm not talking to myself anymore.
Where are you heading tomorrow?
Definitely hitting the beach. And you know, I've got the trailer. I think I've only done like 1 or 2 live streams there. But we could do a stream there, and it's like I
Space
can
with Elon Musk.
Exactly. But Truex said it's like I'm in walking distance to town, so I could have like a beer, walk around. I don't have to drive anywhere. It's nice. Bring the laptop. That reminds me I have to set up a remote desktop, so we could do that. I have to finish a bunch of shit. Like I have the iPhone app that I coded for Kynto, so we could do like it hosts the app that hosts the streams right on the phone instead of connecting to the server computer here. So we have to finish it, dude.
That sounds vibey.
Hell yeah, PH. You seen the sailboat video? That's the town basically. Hell yeah. So guys, keep an eye out for that. You know, I wake up with amnesia in the morning, like I forget everything, including who I am. It takes me a couple hours to figure all that out, so wish me luck. I'm not even kidding. I feel like I'm loaded into like GTA every day, and I just have to figure it out. By the end of the night, I have it all figured out. But
reminds me of St. Petersburg.
Oh no shit. Dude, I have to explore. I have to go down to Miami. Especially now I got like cameras and shit. I could actually record and take pictures, like the streams and that.
GTA V is delayed again by the way Tears of Joy.
Is it really? When is it coming out? November 2026? Dude, that's like a whole year still. I'm gonna get 10,000 subscribers before GTA comes out. I think that's what's gonna happen.
They'll never give us our game. It better be
For
good.
real? It better be hella good. Oh, I'm a big fan of the GTA.
F Rockstar.
Big fan of GTA. Before I started the job I got laid off at this time, I spent like a month replaying the last GTA. All the missions. I can drive really fast in it, the wrong way of traffic. I enjoy it, dude. It's fun. I might go
Me
do
too.
that. Hell yeah. Yeah, Truex and PH, you know kind of where I'm at in Florida. If there's stuff you want me to go check out someday, let me know. Because I don't always have this opportunity where I'm getting
Got
paid but
expelled
don't have to
from
go to work.
Catholic school because of GTA.
No shit. Dude, my ex went to Catholic school.
They said in April 26th, but delayed it just yesterday with a post said sorry for the inconvenience, but the game is planned to sum up in November.
Wow. Yeah, that's a whole other year from now. I tell you, man, there's ones that go to Catholic school. It's something else. When I was younger, one of my most memorable girlfriends is from there. I've had a couple of them. God, I should sign off. Anything else, folks, before we wrap this up? I'm chill, just hanging out, but you know how it is. Dog's out.
I was 12.
GTA San is still in our veins. Tears of joy rolling on the floor laughing.
Truex, I used to play San Andreas multiplayer. That's where I learned Lua. I played the hell out of GTA San Andreas online, and it wasn't by Rockstar. It was, you know, the community that made it available. I'm curious if you guys have played it. It was this
San Andreas mod days.
Yeah, you know what's up. You know, I didn't have an Xbox, but I played modded Halo Trial on PC. Played the hell out of that, dude.
I've played it so many times, tears of joy.
Oh hell yeah. Maybe we should do a stream where we just muck about on it. That'd be funny. Might have to grab it. Where's the pictures? I don't see the pictures.
I still have a GTA V modded account.
Dude, there's
Never got
11,000 people. 11,000 people on SAMP right now. Remarkable. Yeah, we're gonna have to explore this. Oh, no kidding. Dude, my friend's brother spent thousands of dollars getting like the jet car, like just going hard on GTA, and then also paid tons of money for the farming simulator. He's really into spending money. He got fired from his job at FEMA because he was streaming playing games during the day when he was supposed to be working. So you can tell that like, those guys are obsessed. And that's why FEMA costs so much money, it's useless. No offense
Level
if you hear this, Mark.
156 with everything.
GTA is
Damn,
crazy
son.
rolling on the floor laughing.
You want to hear something mucked up on GTA? So on my PS4, I created a character and I was like, oh, I'm taking the piss. I made it a female and it had like, it was bald. Dude, you have to pay money to change the sex of your character, I think, because it was stuck as a bald female. I didn't make that mistake in PC, but I did in PS4. Let me check Kick and Twitch before we roll out.
Games we'll have this week. Oh, it's a 60.
Barbershop.
Oh, that's how you change your gender in it? Sex, whatever they call it these days. Speaking of barbershop, I need to get a bloody haircut, dude. Maybe I should just do it myself, but I think
Tears
I'm
of
gonna
joy.
actually go get it cut properly.
Know the hair.
Ah.
When are you coming tomorrow? Or are you coming in the day?
Greg said it's please cross your fingers I'll be able to get up. That's the main thing. No, I should probably shut this down, huh? Ah, the sleep schedule's destroyed. Like I didn't have the best sleep schedule with my job, but it like required me to be up at 9 every morning, so like, you know what I mean, like I was capable of getting up. It's all over the place.
He will LOL.
PH knows what's up. Man, cross your fingers, please. I need all the help I can get. I need the support, man. A wee bit of moral support. We can do this.
True. PH tears of joy.
Oh, look. What can I say? Now you guys have called out the reality of it. I'll make an effort to avoid it. Because we got the bike and stuff in town, we can wander around. The main problem with doing the streams in town is the internet signal sucks in Florida. I don't know why. I've got 2 phones and both of them are on different networks. And like the connection sucks. I don't know how anyone live streams in Florida, but I'll try. It'll be weird without avatars, but I'll try.
He says he will come back every day but then skips a day or 2, sometimes 4 days. Max was 5 days.
Yeah, that was last week. But you gotta give me some credit for like
When you were
sometimes I'm
changing
on
the
6
setup
days
room,
straight.
rolling on the floor laughing waiting for that day also.
Oh, we changed it today. It's a different room. It's a different room. It's not a very nice one, but it's different. Oh, you're talking about my physical room. This one? Probably sometime during the week.
Okay, we'll stop you, lol.
Yep.
No, I deserve it, PH. It's encouragement. Like I was telling Christian, you gotta be able to give piss and take piss.
Tears of joy.
Alright, I'll show you guys my trailer tomorrow.
He did say he was cleaning his house for the Truex tour.
Exactly, and I did get it all cleared out. It's mostly cleared out. I still have some junk to get out of the way. Yeah, it's a big house. I won't be showing you guys the garage. It's fucking shithole right now. But I've dug out more old computers and shit too. I've got a heavy ass desk that I need to get out of my guest room and into my bedroom, which is going to become the office. Once I do that, will be good.
Open mouth face, hushed face. Wow, we need the tour.
And I've got really long cords that I can run all over the house. Plus, I've got wireless streaming I can do on the phone. So we'll be set. All right, this is what's killing me. I don't have a pen because if I write this shit down, I'll do it. I need a pen.
Where is the dog?
The dogs are right here. Hold on, let me see if this works. We'll do the wireless stream. 2 seconds.
Truex, do you have access to reality listings, DB?
What's that? Work account.
Realty.
Oh. Oh, the MLS listings. That sort of stuff. I've implemented a couple in my day.
Real estate.
Alright, let's see if this works, guys.
Yes,
sir.
I have the access.
Alright, give me a second till I figure this out. I need a new carpet for this room.
One day soon.
That's what I'm talking about with the wireless streaming though, you see it? That's the setup.
I'll be looking into buying a house in the near future.
That's what I should on the top of there. That's the beast of a server, PH. Look at that thing back there.
Sure, if I can help.
Oh, can you see it? Most of my shit's blocking the view, but
wow.
Big old server. That's the streaming computer. It's on life support. This is the camera. Really nice camera.
In return, I will give you areas for cheap land in Annecy.
Buttons to control Kynto. Storm TV. Dogs. More dogs.
Sure, PH will talk about that grin.
More cameras. Dude, this is what the dog, this is what he does. He just crawls up every day. Like, that's why I'm always shouting for him to get out, because this is what he does.
How many dogs?
Heck yeah, he'll keep you
Two
posted.
dogs. 2 dogs. What else we got? Yeah, I'm just gonna have to clean up before I show you guys anything else. Some art. More lights. Commodore. Alright. But we can do wireless streams. I just have to.
Hey there, lil buddy.
Yeah, right. Churchill. All right, this is actually just showing I got.
Can you go to the bedroom and other rooms?
True X, we'll do that on another stream. I was not ready for that. We'll do a proper one. But PH, you're gonna have to get some more music up for us so we can have a soundtrack. It's way more chiller if there's like music and we're all listening. Yeah, I could use some milk bones for these dogs. Alright guys, I'm rubbing my eyes raw.
Tears of joy, sure, never mind.
True X.
Haha, love floor plans.
Yeah, yeah. I've yet to have the kiddo out here yet. I'm still cleaning up, so you know she's not too horrified. So you guys will see it before.
I promised, so I gotta.
Yep, yep. But you'll see the trailer hopefully tomorrow. I'll be out there. All right, let's see. And you did promise. And Truex, didn't forget about you. You also promised us some
what
stuff.
What they love to eat, tears of joy.
Plus, I need to keep posting or I won't grow.
Steak.
The dogs.
They love steak, Truex. That's what they want. They just want steak. I eat a lot of steak, so they do as well. Yeah, that's true, PH. You could also try running live streams, just playing your music on loop. Stuff like that. Alright.
Can't wait to cook the ribeye.
Damn.
Tears of joy.
Yeah, ribeye is like one of the best cuts.
Good idea, thanks.
Yeah. Dude, I've got some ribeye in the fridge right now too. I might go do the same thing. My favorite cut is porterhouse, but that's so close to ribeye, but I got ribeye right now. I got it on sale. Alright, enjoy your ribeye. Make sure you cook that up. Alright, catch you later, Truex. 1ph.
Filet mignon.
Yeah. You know, so that's why I like porterhouse, because they leave a little bit of the filet mignon on. You know, the really tender bit of the ribeye or the porterhouse, sorry, or tomahawk. That's got the filet mignon in it. Alright, night guys. Bloody delirious over here. But good times. How do I do this again? I forgot even how to turn on the stream on. I got this.
Elbow cow.
Yes, best part.
100%. Dude, I love it with eggs. Get some runny eggs. Dip it in there. Oof. So good. Jake Peter, I'll say it for you. Alright, later guys. Oh, it looks like I have to manually do this. Beautiful.